Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 3 will talk about alternative energy, windmill. My name is Muhammad Sufijuki Muhammad Rashad, numerics AA221993. Okay, now I will talk about objective of project. First, learning about the alternative energy and know the type of alternative energy. Second, acknowledge more about windmill energy and the function of the wind energy. And the last one is identify application about alternative energy in real life. Next, background of the project. Windmill as the process of using the wind to produce mechanical or electrical energy is known as wind power or wind energy. The kinetic energy of the wind is transformed into mechanical power by wind turbines. This mechanical energy can be used to particular activities such as pumping water or grinding grain, or can be transformed into electricity by a generator. Wind turbine size and application. The energy produced by wind turbines can be used local or exported and sold. The size of the turbine will depend on the amount of energy required. When the project size is great to match the energy requirements of the load, while simultaneously monetizing economies of scale and equipment track record. Wind turbine economy are maximized, and modest turbine, usually less than 10 kW, that can produce the amount of electricity needed by a resident for daily operation is needed for resident on-site energy consumption. The energy output of mainset machine can support heavier commercial size load. The ideal machine for utility scale project are those that optimize generation while minimize cost and site infrastructure footprint. No matter the scale of the project, electrical grid connection need utility permission and may need grid impact study before construction can start.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zaim Haris, nombor metrik AA221658. I will talk about advantage and disadvantage of alternative energy. First, advantage. A fuel supply that never run out. Renewable energy is created from sources that naturally replenish themselves, such as sunlight, wind, water, biomass, and even geothermal. Second, zero carbon emission. The most significant benefit of renewable energy is that there are no greenhouse gases or other pollutants created during the process, whereas coal power plants create around 2.2 pounds of CO2 for every kilowatt hour of electricity. Solar panel and wind turbine create none at all. Third, cleaner air and water. Burning fossil fuel to generate electricity does far more than warm the climate. It also contaminates the air we breathe and the water we drink. Disadvantage: higher capital cost. Renewable energy system need no fuel and can deliver substantial long-term saving. The upfront cost can still be prohibitive. For example, installing a solar system on your home may cost 10,000.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Zairi bin Kifli, numerics AA221611. Saya akan menerangkan tentang sistem design windmill. Windmill are designed to produce electricity. In its simple term, a wind turbine is the opposite to a house or desktop fan. The fan uses electricity from the main grid to rotate circulate the air. Windmill design use the force of the wind to generate electricity. The wind movement spin or rotate the blade, which capture the kinetic energy of the wind and convert this energy into a rotary motion via a shaft to drive an electrical generator and make electricity as shown. Thank you.
Application of alternative energy in the world. It is possible to use renewable energy in the form of drop-in biofuel, high percentage biofuel blend, and sustainable biofuel. The expanding global fleet of electric vehicle can be powered by renewable electricity. Battery from car can be used to store electricity so that it can be used later. In addition, electrofuel like hydrogen, which can be used to power long distance travel, aviation and shipping, can be made using renewable electricity. It is imperative to concentrate on reducing the overall fuel demand in transportation sector, which can be done by enacting law that support energy efficiency and observation. Conclusion. The construction of the wind turbine is the most significant phase in terms of the environmental impact produced by wind energy, both for offshore wind power plant and onshore wind power plant. Environmental impact generated in transportation and operation phase cannot be considered significant in relation to the total environmental impact of both offshore and onshore wind power plant. However, in offshore wind power plant, zinc is discharged from offshore cable during the operation stage. The energy balance of wind energy is very positive. The energy consumed the whole chain of wind is recovered in several average operational months. The comparison of wind energy with conventional technology highlight the environmental advantage of wind energy. Quite significant emission reduction can be obtained by producing electricity in wind farm instead of using conventional technology such as coal, charcoal, natural gas combined cycle power plant. The significant benefit wind energy should be play an increasing important role in deciding what kind new proper plant can be built.